Gambirwe w'abembezi ba Bushenyi Local Government babire beteranire hamwe n'abembezi ba PDM habaramo ba CDO ba Parish Chiefs Sub County Chiefs hamwe n'abandi mu rukiko rwa PDM okuganira hanshonga za PDM mu district orukorirwa muri Multipurpose Hall ya Bushenyi Ishaka Municipality.
Bantu otamukisa kumika registration Parish Chiefs have been sleeping with these people shahab nana zechiro. Barara network yayanga twafata myalema user so ya baloti so bantu nani jamuteka shiso kundaro. And another thing, of course, CDOs, they are also doing great work.
Some counties, as we shall hear from the commercial officer, have been able to touch well and disburse at least 100%. As we speak, people in 1 month to finish a backlog of 6 billion and you start on a new batch altogether. I know it has not been easy.
Tumuhimbise Gordon urukagambiriza wa PDM district ya Bushenyi atugambire umuhendo gwa sente za PDM zibatungire obwa hati kurga PDM etandika ogurukingana billion 11 n'obundi busente
katunga billion million 5 twakito billion 5 n'emitwaro nkaga twakito zindi billion 5 n'emitwaro kaga ezo kuzigita ezo ni billion mukaga wagita 5 billion 11 n'ezindi sente.
Gordon agarukire yashobora zimwe ahanshonga eziresire district ya Bushenyi yazo mu rukararo rwa district 13 ezishembere mu bya PDM.
Bushenyi okugira ngo iri mu magombo araba mu districts 13 zikora kubi tareserecho omukutandika sente zona billion mukaga tukazigabira papa tukarazirabize aha system kwaiz kushabi kirajyo kija cyagira ngo sonde sente tutakagabire sentence ya mstekwa kubanza twagabe sente zarabira papra zazo mu system asa nko ku mwana murano bagamba network gadgets zatuma abantu batagenda aha speed ya mani kuze sente zone za bakro kuzigaba bakatandikeza.
Kandi we Jafari Basajja baraba umukuru w'intebe ya katano aha wa district Bushenyi naho shabire government okureba ngo yakora hanshonga ya network ngo hakuba icumbagizo buhereza mu myanya etari yemwe nemwe
network
Sanyu Fiona uri mukuru w'abakozi aba district ya Bushenyi agizire ngo government egerezeho mukashora bamwe aha abakozi ba PDM abarimo ba Parish Chiefs okugira ngo sente ezo zibahwero mu mirimo yabo.
Facilitation under PDM. Since PDM started, government has labored to see that some sections of leaders are facilitated under PDM. We have so far received last financial year, each parish chief has been facilitated with 100,000 per month.
Ogu hagarukire yashaba Parish Chiefs hamwe na town agents okufayo munonga omukurebuza emirimo yone ya government arikorwa omiruka kandi bakakora reports bakazitwara ha magomborora.
You know what happens in your schools, in your health facilities, all government programs in the parish are being report. Only need a report about the parish.
Makuru agagasha kwa Olivia Nasasira wa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuru Bushenyi.